Copper-clad aluminum wire is still being used in some applications, but its use has declined due to safety concerns. The Consumer Product Safety Commission has not banned copper-clad aluminum wire, but it strongly discourages its use in residential wiring. Copper-clad aluminum wire was used in the United States from the 1960s to the mid-1990s, primarily in low-cost housing and commercial buildings. Its use declined after several safety incidents were reported. There are several safety concerns with copper-clad aluminum wire. Firstly, higher resistance. Copper-clad aluminum wire has higher electrical resistance than pure copper wire, which can lead to overheating and fire hazards. Secondly, corrosion. The aluminum core is prone to corrosion, which can weaken the wire and increase its resistance. Thirdly, it is difficult to identify. Copper-clad aluminum wire may not be easily distinguishable from solid copper wire, potentially leading to confusion and improper installation. Copper-clad aluminum wire was most commonly used in residential and commercial wiring from the 1960s to the early 1980s. Its use declined after the 1980s due to increased awareness of its safety risks. However, some manufacturers continue to produce copper-clad aluminum wire for specific applications, such as automotive wiring and electronic devices. The Consumer Product Safety Commission recommends against using copper-clad aluminum wire in residential wiring. If you are unsure if you have copper-clad aluminum wire in your home, have it inspected by a licensed electrician. If copper-clad aluminum wire is found, strongly consider replacing it with solid copper wire for safety reasons. Solid copper wire is the recommended material for residential wiring. Copper offers lower electrical resistance than aluminum, reducing the risk of overheating and fires. Copper is also less prone to corrosion, ensuring a more reliable and longer-lasting electrical system. When dealing with electrical wiring, safety should always be the top priority. If you suspect you have copper-clad aluminum wiring, consult with a qualified electrician to assess the situation and determine the best course of action. Remember that proper wiring installation and maintenance are crucial for preventing electrical hazards and ensuring the safety of your home and occupants. While copper-clad aluminum wire may have been a cost-effective solution in the past, its inherent risks make it unsuitable for modern residential wiring. Investing in solid copper wire is a worthwhile investment in the long-term safety and reliability of your electrical system. Be vigilant about checking your wiring and seek professional help if you have any doubts or concerns. The information provided here is for general knowledge and informational purposes only, and does not constitute professional advice. It is essential to consult with a licensed electrician or qualified professional for any electrical work or concerns related to your home or property.